Namaste, my dear children. Today you're going to learn about positive and negative sentences. Positive sentences are also called affirmative sentences. Let's go through the slides to know more about how to convert positive sentence to negative sentence without changing its meaning. Positive and negative sentences. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to convert positive sentence to negative sentence without changing its meaning. Sentences are of two kinds by nature: affirmative and negative sentence. Affirmative sentences are also positive sentences. Now, what is the difference between the affirmative sentence and a negative sentence? Affirmative sentences are positive by nature, and negative sentences, as the name indicates, are negative by nature. The positive sentences do not have negations like no, never, not, nothing, and nobody. Negative sentences have negations like no, never, not, nothing, or nobody. For example, Ravi loves drinking apple juice. The same sentence can be converted to negative sentence by the use of the negation not, and the opposite of the verb loves becomes hate. Ravi does not hate drinking apple juice. So Ravi loves drinking apple juice is a positive sentence. The same sentence becomes a negative sentence by adding not and hate. Hate is the opposite of loves. Ravi does not hate drinking apple juice. Use of opposite words. Now, how do we change positive sentence to negative sentence? By the use of opposite words. For example, the knife is sharp. Opposite of sharp is blunt. We are using the negation not when we are converting the positive sentence to negative sentence here. The knife is sharp. Sharp is made into blunt, and we are adding the negation not. The knife is not blunt. Another sentence, this is impossible. This is not possible. Now, don't you see the meaning remains the same? But we are using the negation not. Another way of changing a positive sentence to negative sentence is by using the degree of comparison. Ankit is as great as Shyam. Now, Shyam is not greater than Ankit. The meaning remains the same. We are using the negation great, and this becomes a comparative sentence. This is positive sentence, this is comparative sentence, and we are using not, negation. It becomes a negative sentence. Now look at this comparative sentence. Birbal is wiser than Akbar. Akbar is not as wise as Birbal. We are using not, the negation not, and we are making it a negative sentence. Bharat was the strongest king in India. This is superlative sentence. Changing to negative sentence, no other king is as strong as Bharat. So what is the negation we have used? No other. This is one more way of converting positive to negative sentence. Correlative conjunctions to and to, so that. She's too weak to walk. This is a positive sentence. She's so weak that she cannot walk. We are using the negation cannot. He remembered his mother. He did not fail to remember her. We are using double negation here, not fail. Right? Joy loved skating. Joy was not without love for skating. So what are we using? Not without, double negation we are using, love for skating. This is the assignment for you. You are going to change these sentences into negative sentence. It is a difficult task. He was richer than Rathore. He is too young to drive. He saw her in the library. What have we learned today? We have learned 4 ways of changing positive sentence to negative sentence. In the first case, it is the use of opposites. We use opposites and then change positive to negative sentence. In the second case, we are using degrees of comparison. In the third case, we are using the correlative conjunctions like to and so and that. We are also using double negation like how we use not fail, not without. Hope you have understood how to convert positive sentence to negative sentence. Thank you and have a nice day. You are going to make notes from the slides in your grammar book.